If you have deleted bookmarks in your Google Chrome browser and cannot restore them, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will tell you how you can recover your deleted bookmarks in Chrome. So without any delay, let's get going. First of all, if you have mistakenly deleted some important bookmarks from your Google Chrome, then don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can recover them. For demonstration, I'm going to delete some bookmarks from my Chrome browser. First, open the Bookmark Manager on your Chrome browser by clicking on the three dots in the right-hand corner of the browser to open the menu. Then take your cursor to the Bookmarks and Lists and click on the Bookmark Manager. After that, a new Bookmarks window will appear on your Chrome browser. What if I tell you a way to bypass all these steps? If you want to know, then just press the Ctrl+Shift+O keys and you will be redirected to the Bookmarks window. Once you have opened the Chrome bookmarks, finally use the Ctrl+Z shortcut key to restore accidentally deleted bookmarks in your Chrome. But keep in mind that this method won't work if you have closed or restarted the Google Chrome browser. Restore bookmarks using the user data folder of Chrome. If you have deleted important bookmarks and closed the Chrome browser, then restoring Chrome bookmarks with the user data folder is your next best bet. Almost all software save a backup data file logging your activity, and the Google Chrome browser is no different. It too saves your bookmark data as you constantly make changes to it. Chrome browser saves a file named Bookmarks that contains all the bookmark data. As you make changes, all your old data is logged in the file named bookmarks.bak, which can be used to restore deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome. To locate this file, you just need to search disk C/users/appdata/local/google/chrome/userdata/default. This file path in your Windows File Explorer. Make sure that you have changed the username to your Windows user account name. For example, I've put Akira Warrior as my username. Once you type the above address, press enter and scroll down to find bookmarks.bak file. Now, move the bookmarks.bak file to some other folder and make another copy of this file. After that, rename the bookmarks-copy.bak file into the bookmarks, and that's it. Finally, relaunch the Google Chrome browser to see your accidentally deleted bookmarks in your Chrome browser. Restore deleted Chrome bookmarks in Macbook. Before following the steps below, make sure that your Macbook is disconnected from the internet. Now, open Finder and then you will need to click on the Go option in the menu bar. From that, click on the Go to Folder option. A dialog box will appear. Copy the file path below and press Enter. Make sure to replace username library with the name of your user account in your MacBook. Once you're inside the default folder, look for the file named Bookmarks and bookmarks.bak. Move the bookmarks file to some other location. After that, rename the bookmarks.bak file to bookmarks. Now, launch Google Chrome and your deleted bookmarks will be restored. Restore Chrome bookmarks using data recovery software. If you don't find the bookmarks.bak file, then it might have been deleted. While there are many reasons why it might have been deleted, the fact remains that you cannot restore the bookmarks without the bookmarks.bak file. That's when I would recommend using data recovery software. There are many data recovery software available in the market, but I recommend using Stellar Data Recovery. I have found that it can easily restore deleted files from your PC as well as the external hard drives. Plus, the biggest benefit of Stellar Data Recovery is that you will get a free preview of your recoverable bookmarks.bak file. Now, I'm going to show you the steps to recover your bookmarks.bak file. But first, download and install the Stellar Data Recovery software on your PC. Then select the type of file you wish to recover and click on the Next button. After that, you will need to select the drive where the file was stored. Select the C drive and click on Scan. Once the scan is completed, you will see the preview of your all scanned files. Now, select the bookmarks.bak file and click on Recover. Next, open your recovered Chrome bookmarks file from the #root folder and move them to this location. Finally, rename the bookmarks.bak file and launch your Chrome browser on your PC. your deleted bookmarks will be restored in Chrome. How to retrieve deleted bookmarks on Chrome in Android and iPhone. If you have deleted bookmarks on the Chrome browser in an Android or iOS device, then a few conditions need to be met for you to be able to restore bookmarks. First, make sure that you're using the same account for handling the Google Chrome on your PC and phone. Second, make sure that you logged into your PC's Chrome browser before the deletion of bookmarks. Third and most importantly, disconnect your PC or laptop from the internet before starting the Chrome browser. Just to be clear, all the conditions need to be fulfilled before moving to the recovery steps. Otherwise, deleted bookmarks will not be recovered. Once the conditions are met, let's get back your deleted Chrome bookmarks on your phone. Now, as your PC is offline, I will export the existing bookmarks from your Chrome browser. Launch the Chrome browser and open Bookmark Manager. After that, click on the three dots from the right-hand corner of the browser window and select the Export Bookmarks, then save the HTML file. Now, share this file with your phone and open it on your Chrome browser. Finally, click on the bookmarks from the list you wish to recover in your Chrome browser. I hope you have successfully recovered your deleted Chrome bookmarks on your PC, Mac, or phone. As a word of advice, you should regularly back up your Chrome browser's bookmarks as HTML files so that you can easily restore any deleted bookmarks in the Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, then drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor. That's all for today. See you in the next video.